Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will be discussing the question shortest distance to a character. In this question we are given a string s and a character c that occurs in string s. We need to return an array of integers answer where answer.length is equals to the length of the string, and at each index of this answer is the shortest distance from si to the character c in s. In the first example we can see that we need to find the distance from the character e. So the first character is at 3 distance from this e, and then we find the minimum distance for all the subsequent characters. Similarly in example 2, the given constraints with the problem states that the length of the string is up to 10 raised to power 4. The second constraint states that only lowercase English letters will be present, and the third constraint states that c occurs at least once in the string s. Now let's first understand the problem with the help of an example. So suppose the character that we need to find the distance with is e and the string given to us is this string. We see that there are 4 e's present at different positions in this string, and as we need to find a distance array, the distance array will be of the same size as of the length of the string, and the value at each position corresponding to e will be 0 in the distance array. Now, if we try to find a distance of this character c from the character e given to us, we need to take into considerations two values: distance of the c from the e on its left hand side and distance of the c from the character e on its right hand side. And we need to take the minimum of the two, and that will become the answer of this result array. Now, for any given character other than e, we need to perform the same logic. But now there is a catch. What about the value o? Since we do have a e present at its right hand side, but there isn't any e present on its left hand side, so we do not know how to calculate the minimum, and this fails the logic that we can apply to all other characters but not on the character that are at the very start of this string. So how we can solve that? In order to solve that, we will expand the string assuming that the string is present at a very far location whose index will be in negative, and then we can find the minimum of the two, and the logic that we were using previously holds now. The same thing we need to do at the end as well, since there can also be condition where e is present on its left hand side but no is present on the right hand side since is the end of the string. In that case also we will consider an e present at the very end of the string whose index will be the highest possible value. Now let's see how we can code this. So as discussed, we need to first know all the indexes of the character given to us that are present in the string. In order to hold all the indexes, we will be using a list. Now we'll add the most negative value into this list to get away with the problem that the character at the left is not present. Now we will loop on this string, and wherever the character is equals to the character that is given to us, we'll add the index into this list. After all this, we will add the most positive integer into the list to get away with the condition where the character at right is not present. Now we need to have a result array, and now we will again loop on this length of string. Now we need two values, the first value and the second value. So we'll take two variables. The first value will be the index 0, and then the second value which will be index 1, and then we will have an index 2 into this k, which we will increment in order to get the next values present in the list. Now we are sure that at least two values will be present in the string because we are adding additionally two values into the string, so we won't get any array index out of bound in that case. Now if the character at this position is not equals to the character that we are seeking, in that case we need to find the minimum distance. The minimum distance at this place will become the minimum of I minus first or second minus I. If the character is equals to the character that we are seeking. That means we need to move our first and second positions. So now the first will be equal to second, and second will be the next value that is present in this list that we have, and then we increment the pointer as well. At the end, we simply return the result array. This completes the coding part. Let's run this code. So it ran successfully. Let's submit this. So it got submitted successfully. The time and space complexity in this approach is O of n. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.